In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Xbox app on Android. By the end, you'll have the Xbox app installed, signed in, and ready to use on your Android device. This app lets you stay connected to your gaming world from your phone, and according to Microsoft, it works on devices running Android 8.0 or newer. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. At the top, tap the search bar and type Xbox. When the results appear, look for the official Xbox app published by Microsoft Corporation. Confirming the developer name is important so you know you're getting the legitimate app, complete with the latest updates and security protections. Once you've found it, tap Install. The download time will depend on your internet connection and available storage, so make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or data connection and enough free space for the app to install. You'll see a progress bar as it downloads and installs. When it finishes, tap Open to launch the app for the first time. On the welcome screen, tap Sign In. Use your Microsoft account information, the same account you use for your Xbox profile. Enter your email and password securely and follow any on-screen prompts. The app may guide you through a brief setup, which can include things like choosing notification preferences or allowing access to media if you plan to share screenshots and clips. Simply follow the instructions shown on your device to complete setup. If you use extra security on your account, you may be asked to verify your sign-in before continuing. Once you're signed in, you can start exploring what the app can do. You can chat with your Xbox friends, keeping conversations going even when you're away from your console. You can browse Game Pass games to discover new titles and add them to your play queue. Remote Install lets you queue game installs to your console from your phone as long as you're signed in on the console with the same account and your console is set up for remote features. You can check your achievements and track progress, share screenshots and clips captured on your console, and even join voice parties right from your device to stay connected with your squad. That's all it takes. If your device is running Android 8.0 or newer, you're good to go. Open the Google Play Store, search for Xbox by Microsoft Corporation, install, open, sign in, and follow the setup prompts. Enjoy staying connected to your games, friends, and achievements wherever you are.